and delicious apricot jam. Just two major ingredients: apricots, but preferably ripe apricots. Here in Austria, you can find very good and more flavorable apricot.
Apricots are stone fruits, round and yellow. They look like a smaller version of a peach, but share the tartness of purple plum. They are extremely nutritious and have many health benefits such as improved digestion and eye health. It's the season of apricots, and I'm going to be making a very delicious apricot jam. For this recipe, all you need are fresh apricots and sugar to make a delicious homemade apricot jam.
I'll also be using 500 grams of jelly sugar. So guys, if you're interested to know how to make a very delicious apricot jam, just sit back and keep watching, okay? And while at that, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please click on that red subscribe button below to get subscribed, okay? And also don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Yes, it is very important, so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to get it. I also want to say very big thanks to all my subscribers for your support. I really appreciate. God bless you all. So guys, let's get into this video.
So guys, I'm going to start by extracting the seed and then cut the apricots into small pieces. After that, I'm going to transfer them into a clean pot. Then I will go ahead and add 500 grams of jelly sugar. Then stir over low heat until the sugar dissolves. At this point, the sugar has dissolved. So the next thing I'm going to do is to increase heat to high and bring the mixture to a full rolling boil. Then boil for about 20 minutes until it becomes thick. Boil stirring often so that it doesn't get burnt, okay? At this point, the jam is ready. Can you see how thick it looks? This is the consistency I'm looking out for. This is exactly the way I want it to be. So the next thing I'm going to do is to transfer it into sterling jars. Cover tightly and allow it to cool to room temperature and then refrigerate, okay? So guys, thank you for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share with your friends and leave a comment down in the comment section below. But in case you missed my video on how to make strawberry jam, I will leave the link in the description box below, okay? Thank you guys for watching and I will see you people in my next video. I love you.